Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to log on to Seesaw for the first time and then how you'll always log on. What you're going to do first is you're going to go to app.seesaw.me and it'll show this screen that I'm currently on. Then you're going to choose I'm a student and you'll notice that there's multiple ways that you can sign in. The first is sign in with Google. I do not want you to worry about that. You're either going to sign in with a text code or a scan code. So everyone's going to get a piece of paper that looks like this emailed to you. This is Seesaw, Emily Austin's home learning code, excuse me. And it tells you exactly how to do this. You have two options. You can print this out, and then when you click the scan QR code, you can just hold this up to the camera on your iPad, phone, or laptop, or you can use this code right here. So I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to use that, but I'm going to show you what it looks like when you click the scanner. So if I wanted to scan the QR code on a laptop, hi guys, you would just hold the piece of paper up, or if you have it on your phone, you can just hold it up to this little screen. You can also use the text code, and I'm going to use my text code, and I'm going to click go, and that should get me in. Okay, so once you're in, it will look like this. You have a dashboard, you have a journal. This is a test that I did the other day. You have a journal, you have activities, and you have an inbox. You also have your name up here. When you have a red icon next to activities, it means there's something waiting for you. So I'm going to click on activities, and we have the activity that I've assigned you. So when you're ready to do an activity, you click add response, and it takes you to the activity. Now there's different ways to do this. I'm showing you how to do this on a laptop. I suggest doing it on an iPad. I think it works better in that you can use your finger or a stylus to write smaller, but if you're working on a laptop, that's totally fine. I'll show you how to do that. You can always zoom in just a little bit, and then you can either write or type. So this activity asks you to solve the multiplication problem and then write the rest of the fact family related to each fact below. Sometimes there's also instructions that go with it. I don't have any for this one, but I might have instructions written there, and you can click view instructions. So if I wanted to type the answers here, I can click T, and it comes up with a typing box, and I can make it much smaller, like that size, and I can put it right here, and I can bring that in, make it really small, and I can type, well, 5 times 6 is 30, and then I'm done, and I can move on. I have my answer there. You can also just click down here and use pencils or pens and write in, even with a laptop, to write the rest of the fact family. You could do 6 times 5 equals 30. I think if I'm on the laptop, I would suggest using the typing tool, whereas if you're on an iPad, you can more easily use these pen features. If you mess up, you can always click this back button at the top, okay? And it will undo everything you've done. When you're ready to submit, you can either click draft, which means it will just save, okay? And then you can go back and edit it. And then when you're ready to submit, you click this green check, and it gets sent to me, and I can check it and give you feedback on your work, which is pretty cool. The one really important thing to remember is that you are logged in, and even if you exit out of Seesaw, if you exit out of your browser, you'll still be logged in. It's important not to click your name and go here and click sign out. You will then need to retype in your code or the QR code. It's not a problem, but it's just like an extra step. So if I close out of everything and then I go back into Chrome and I go to app.seesaw.me, it should still log in for me. So it stays logged in, which is really nice. So today, you guys are going to experiment with Seesaw. You're going to try 2 exercises that one looks just like this and one looks like the other one I tested earlier. And you're going to see how it goes. Good luck.